So you're looking to organize yourself on Pinterest. You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to create a board on Pinterest and organize all of your pins in one place. So let's get into it. So we're going to jump straight in here to pinterest.com, and you're going to go up to the top right hand side. You will see your profile. Now of course you need to have a profile. This can be a personal or a business profile. You can see over here I've got some pins, and on the right hand side there is a plus icon, and this is where you create a board. So right over here you're going to give it a name. So let's give it a funky name. From here we are going to have the option to keep this board private. Let's click on create, and here you can save some pins to your board. So let's choose this one and this cool bear. Let's hit done. Now inside your board you can see all of your pins. There are a few other options that you can do. You can invite other people to view your board. You can edit the board, change its name. Over here, there's an organize, so you can reorder your pins. You can also select, and you can create a section. So let's say we want to select these two, and we want to create a section, and we want to call it outdoors. Let's say add. And this will now be a separate section in your board. So if you're going back out to your main view of your boards, you also have more ideas. Now, what this will do is show you pins that are related to the content within your board. So if you would like to add it, you can go and click on the pin button at the top. It tells you also what board it's going to. If you go down to the bottom, you can hit this button here. You can send this, you can share it, you can import it. And then the three dots allows you to hide it or download it or report it. And there you go. You are now creating awesome boards in Pinterest.